Ford Mustang, the most iconic V8 muscle car. That unmistakable boxer burble, Subaru BRZ. Honda Civic Type R, the fastest front-wheel drive machine. Unmistakable AMG roar. Correct, Mercedes-AMG C63. Hear that naturally aspirated perfection. It's the Nissan 370Z. Correct. Pocket Rocket Fury. Toyota GR Yaris. The sound of pure driving joy, Mazda MX-5. That tough, unstoppable rumble, Land Rover Defender. That's right, the sound of pure surgical precision, Porsche 911 GT3. That glorious howling V10 scream, Audi R8. The sound of the ultimate super sedan, BMW M5 CS. That loud, crackling British roar, Jaguar F-Type. That legendary high-pitched rotary scream, Mazda RX-7. Correct. That loud, aggressive hot hatch snarl, Mini John Cooper Works GP. That brutal mid-engine V8 punch, Corvette C8. Hear that loud, pure horsepower roar. It's the Dodge Challenger SRT. The greatest V10 sound ever made, Lexus LFA. Correct. That raw, screaming twin-turbo V8, Ferrari F40. Named after a legend built for brutal speed, it's the McLaren Senna. The sound of a legend reborn, it's the Lamborghini Countach. That raw, terrifying V12 racing scream, Pagani Zonda R. Hear that iconic high-revving motorsport wail? It's the Porsche Carrera GT. That monstrous W16 quad-turbo thunder, Bugatti Chiron. That 1600 horsepower megacar scream, Koenigsegg Jesko. Let me know your score in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and hit bell icon. Thanks for watching.